coming from you live from Lake Tahoe. We got a car meet to go to. We're at the car meet already. Why am I doing this with my phone while I'm walking up to you? Real quick, I'm trying to film my intro. All right, thank you. What's going on, guys? We're back at it at Lake2o 2023. I'm here with my new girlfriend. Okay. Damn, I'm just gonna fuck it. I don't want to hurt you. I'm sorry. Thanks, I appreciate the love. It's all fiberglass. Yeah, that shit. Good to see you. Hey, bro. See you, bro. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a long time.
Did you ring it? The 365?
Oh shit, you actually know me?
No, he does know. He's in Reno.
That's crazy. I'm just messing with you.
Did you ring it or what?
Oh yeah. Wait, what's your name? Adrian. Okay, I do know you. Okay. I was like, wait. Regardless, bro, that shit's as big as my arm, or like long as my arm. Wait, isn't the guy from Reno? Yeah. It's about
average 75.
Hey man, this guy got girth, man.
Stock this car has 21s because of the brakes.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Dude, I love this car.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful car.
Me too. I want this color on my car. This is what Jello wanted on his car, huh? It's fighting Nick, bro. It's fighting Nick. Yeah, that orange got nice. Yeah, it's nice. Now imagine this
box driving up here. People playing.
Hey, first kicks. Damn, guys, I really need to wrap my car. Look at all these colored cars.
I don't wear a wing back on.
I know, I'm actually thinking about it. Now that I'm
bro, you just like me for real. No, there's more pedals.
All right, we just rolling through, and this guy, we actually know him on Instagram. He has this very nice RS6, but he's like giving out free merch and stuff because his he just has a bunch, I guess. Yeah.
It's a process.
All right, well, anyways, if this video somehow blows up, if this video somehow blows up, I'm gonna put the Instagram flagship right here.
I'd like to shout out my boy.
Right here, we're gonna get like 1 million. We're gonna get 1 million views on this video, and that's gonna get 1 million views on this van right here. Man, what you guys think about the new GR, man? Pretty exhaustive. Hey, Toyota actually called me and got the inspiration for my Mark 6.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it makes sense. I'm so sad.
Yeah, they actually called me, and they were like, "Yo, we see that you have the triple exhaust on your GTI, so we're gonna put it on ours, okay?" I was like, "Yeah, bro, you're chilling. I don't need no money. I'm not like that." What's up, brother? How you doing? How you doing?
I don't know you, but
What's going on? You don't know me? No. Oh shit. What's up, brother? What's your name?
Mauricio, you?
Mauricio?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Shock.
I'm sorry?
Shock.
Oh, Jacques? Hey, you guys
Diego.
beat it out, bro. Beat it out. What are you guys up to today? Just bullshit. Cool. We're just fucking drinking tea. That's what we're doing.
My bad, dude. Just wanted to make friends. That's all. It's good to see you, bro. Good to see you guys.
Yeah, you have a good one.
That's kind of nice too. Look at this. They did not pass the vibe check.
I don't know.
They didn't pass the vibe check, Diego.
I know.
Nice.
Yeah, just one goldfish. Single goldfish.
Sorry, he's homeless.
Thank you. Thank you. This is gonna go to
Eat that one. Eat that one. She gave it to you.
Thank you.
Must be nice. Must be nice.
No? This is color.
It's an individual color. Let me see. It's like the champagne quarter.
Yeah, it's color.
It's cool. Dang.
I was empty.
Yeah, you couldn't tell?
No, I'm not into beer.
Three on TEs. Must be nice. Must be nice. Must be nice.
All the posted look at these cars.
Yeah, these.
I found the cars.
Oh, look at this color. I can't. This is literally.
This is you.
This is literally my color.
This is you.
Like, this is the color I want. Wait, why are you filming me? It's awkward. We'll kick the wood.
Go hop in with her.
What's up?
Go hop in with her. Hey, brother. Can I have a chip?
leave him alone. He's like, no, fuck off.
He's like,
it's like, ah.
his face, dude, he was defeated.
He's like, no, motherfucker.
He's like, are you serious, man? I just opened this bag. It's like the cops when you ask him for a sticker.
Exactly.
When you open a pack of cum in class.
Huh?
You heard me.
Cum or gum?
Gum. Gum too, I guess.
Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh shit.
How you doing?
That's a hug.
Let me go.
Did Asad come?
I love you.
No, he didn't want to come up.
Wow, what a bitch.
Oh my god.
Can you build me a truck? Hey, I should do this in my car.
Fuck no. I don't never.
Oh shit. I'm trying to get your shot, bro.
You want to get my shot, bro?
I'm trying to get this shot.
trying to get a shot of the
Trying to get a shot.
Let him. He has AIDS. He has AIDS.
What?
I know. That's what I'm saying.
I saw the cars and I thought it might be
Clean.
things along.
Bitch, what?
Coming over here.
I like the drama.
God damn it.
What do you want?
Our favorite South Lake crackhead hit and run 2 cars and then tried to run from the cops at a whopping 5 miles per hour. And then the cops boxed him in.
Wait, that's the car right there?
That's the Sonata, the clapped out Sonata.
No way.
So glad he brought it out. And you know, hope we see him next year.
He's showing out the team.
Amen. Getting towed? Now he's getting towed.
this will
Crazy. Free ride.
Really repping South. This will be really interesting.
Damn, bro. That's great. So I guess that was kind of crazy. I don't know what car they hit, but I guess he hit 2 cars, like the guy said. And yeah, it just now got boxed in the middle of the huge car meet. I don't know.
Because that guy's name was Alex too.
Not sure. I really don't. But anyways, we're gonna go find some food now. I will. Hey, bro.
Love you.
I love you. What?